So I'm Daniel Vincent, and I'm a holistic epilepsy health coach. And I help people who are going through focal aware seizures and how to gain a better life so that they can go from being anxious, uh, from uh, experiencing stigma, and maybe even the not being unaware of what's happening from the outside world or detached from people from the outside. I help them turn them around and become more solid, confident, experiencing life in in a better way. And as they become happier, their seizures can start dropping. Before getting involved with this AA program, life was completely upside down. I wasn't sure what I was doing. Getting involved with different programs, and I was trying to put a stabbing in the dark, trying to get things going, and it really flipped things around for me. Life has become organized, if I can say it that way. Moving forward to where I'm at today, life is completely different because I was able to gather people from around me, people who were actually living what I was living way many years ago, and now to entice their lives and to enhance their lives and seeing the reactions coming out of them and having them getting involved with my program is just wonderful. I've had different people come and get involved. Uh, I've had people who couldn't afford it. However, that I've got something else in plan for them because of it. And so here I am thinking that what I've done is fantastic. Now, and as for the income with the three, it's like I've made $3,000 out of this, so it's fantastic. The results I was able to achieve out of this was that prior to getting involved, nobody would really attach to what I was doing. Nobody would consent to or would really feel the energy that I was putting out. And once I got involved with AA, things became different and people started to gravitate and become more aware of what I was doing because of the transition that I had done. And with this transition, I've attracted more people and it's things are actually happening and I love it. For someone who's looking at getting involved with the AA program, I'm one that's taken so many programs, courses, and input from different people around the world and spent thousands and thousands of dollars to do this now. And this program here, this is the one which outside of them coming into your home and taking you by the hand, it's the next best thing to it. They actually take you by the hand and guide you step by step to where you want to go from scratch to preparing who you are to becoming the person who delivers to to interact with those who are wanting to be who you are.